When you create warehouse receipt, you can use a pull strategy or a push strategy. Normally you would use the pull strategy if you want to create receipts on several source documents instead of only once. And you would use a pull strategy seen from the warehouse perspective and not from the order perspective. But let's start with the push strategy. In this example, I have a purchase order and I like to create a warehouse document for that. My quantity received is not filled in and the document is open. And if I navigate, I would know that I have no warehouse receipt line, so it's not prepared yet. So what I could do with a push strategy is to release my purchase order, and somebody needs to do that anyway. Normally that would be the purchaser determining when the purchase order can be released and ready for warehouse handlings. And from a push strategy, I will go to Actions, Warehouse, Create Warehouse Receipt, and it will create one warehouse receipt for this purchase document. It could also have been from a transfer order or sales return order, which also are source documents for the warehouse, for the inbound warehouse. In this scenario, we have now made one receipt document from a push strategy, and it's here ready to be handled and posted for this specific purchase order. The other way around, we could have made a pull strategy entering the warehouse receipt directly, like this, and I can see the receipt that I just made in here. I could create a new one with a pull strategy like this, and instead of pushing it from the source document, I could now import either through using filters to get source documents or just by getting source documents. So in here I could actually select which documents I would like to import to this warehouse receipt like this, or I could have used the use filter functionality, I'll show that in other video, to get more lines in here. So this way I can bundle, as you can see here, sales return orders, transfer orders, purchase orders, etc. into one receipt document. So this is different strategies. Who is responsible for creating the warehouse receipts? Would it be the purchasers or the warehouse employees?